Hello, my dear friends. Assalamu alaikum. I hope all are you doing fantastic by the grace of Almighty Allah. It is very hot today. Long time no raining this area, and this area so hot sun, and it is so hot today outside. And right now at my home and try to making speaking English video every single day. And today I am try to practice speaking English sentence make, and I am try to every single day practice speaking English properly. And that's why every single day I am try to making sentence, and it's my goal. I want to speaking English properly. Try every get my free time, because I have to speaking English. And I am try to my best, because speaking English practice so important, and practice maximum perfect, I know. And that's why I am try to hardly practice everywhere, every place, because speaking English so important for our life. And that's why I am try to everywhere practice speaking English. And inshallah I will be successful speaking English.